We're here at Productronica together with the ASMPT, inviting visitors to step into the factory of the future. So, Luis, what are you showcasing at Productronica this year?
Okay, so actually I've been showing our new AI assistant that is getting people very excited, and there's good reasons for that. And the example that I have is, for instance, I want to know about the whip, so I'm going to ask him to build a chart of the whip per area. And we see now it's taking its understanding of the question that I just did and then trying to query the system of the data that it has to build the chart that I've just asked for. And there we go. So now we have our chart with the width for all of the areas, but also here we see some insights that AI was able to collect as he was going through the data that I've asked for. Things like saying that the PVD area has the highest width and that litho has several types of units being produced. So all of the time that I've asked some questions is always going to give me additional insights and additional information. Now I could also, let's say I have a customer complaint that I need to investigate. I have to investigate a lot. Okay, and I just look at this and I see, well, there's a customer complaint that I need to check. Maybe I need your help with that. Look at the history and try to figure out what was the data about around the lots that were affected, which I can see there, this lot 1 and 2. I would open them and, well, I would have to start going through reports and trying to figure out what's going wrong. But here I'm going to instead ask the AI to give me an assistance to investigate this issue. Go back there to my assistant and ask him, well, was there any equipment that was used for both of the lots that I got a complaint about, right? So what common resources were used for materials and we see here that the only equipment which is common to both of those parts or units is this assembly station 2. Now I would continue to ask when was this processed, and then eventually try to figure out all the lots that might be affected by the same issue as well. So in a couple of minutes you actually get this assistant to help you going through all of the history data that you have, gather some insights, some conclusions, and make it much faster to maybe stop a lot that was about to be shipped to your customer, or even stop a machine before you continue to do more mistakes. That's what we have to show you. Thank you.
Perfect, thank you.